Hi and welcome in the new video. In this video, we are going to learn about filters, how to define filters, and how to apply filters in Primavera P6. So, actually, filters in Primavera P6 are powerful tools that allow users to display, isolate, and focus on specific data within a project schedule by applying the customized criteria. So they help streamline navigation in a complex schedule by showing only the relevant activities, resources, or element, enabling targeted analysis, improved decision making, and customized reporting. Filters can be predefined, user defined, or global, offering flexibility to create to individual or team needs built on conditions involving our field operations and values. Filters can be simple or complex using the nested logic for detailed customization. They are the dynamic working seamlessly with the grouping, sorting, and reporting tools to create a tailored view while keeping the underlying data impacts. So, by using filters strategically, project managers can highlight the critical task, analyze bottleneck, track milestones, and manage schedules efficiently, ensuring productivity and clarity in project planning and execution. So let's start and learn how to define new filters. The path we have filters, then filter by. Okay, so first we will take the overview the about the default filters. You can see here we have the default filters. We can apply these filters. First of all, we will take the overview of default filters and the default option you can see here. Okay, so uh, you can see, let's suppose critical. We want to filter out, sort out the critical activities only. So how we can apply? So you can see we have already a filter with the name of critical. Simple, we will click in the option, means the selected, then we will click on apply and we will be able to see here the complete the list of the critical activities. Okay, so now click on uncheck button and click on again apply. So next, let's suppose you want to sort out the milestone. So you can see, just simple click on milestone. So click on apply. So all the milestones will be sort out. Okay, so uncheck this option again, click on apply. By the way, you can use these options. You cannot modify these options, but you can use these options. Next, we will click on new and we will learn how to create new parameters as per your requirements. Okay, so let's take one example for the activity name. Okay, let's suppose activity name end with G or B. Okay, let's suppose BLBRB. Okay, so now we have mentioned here the filter name. Okay, according to the filter name we will set the parameters here. Okay, so we will first click under the parameter option, then uh, we have to choose the activity name. Okay, so just choose the activity name equals or sorry equal ends with, and we will enter here, let's suppose BLB. So now click on OK and click on apply. So we can see here our system has sort out, filter out those activities with the activity name and with the BLB. Now we will uncheck this option and click on apply. So next, let's take one more example with the name of let's suppose activity name start with uh, with alphabets. Okay, so we will click on this option under parameter and press save, then choose activity name and choose start with and let's write here G. Now click on OK and simple click on apply. Now you can see we have all those activities which are their name is going to start with the G alphabet. Okay, so again go to the view filter by and uncheck this option, click on apply. So let's take one more example for the start milestone. Okay, so the start one, let's suppose we want to sort out the start project start milestone. So we will choose here activity type, then equals, and we will click here and the values. The values we will choose the required option, means the start milestone. Click on OK. Now simply click on apply. So you can see we have all the start milestones here. Okay, so okay, so next uncheck again this option. Click on apply. Click on OK. So next create one more filter. View filter by and click on it and let's make a filter for the okay, let me write here filter for the activities uh, which having duration which having sorry, I cannot write full description here, so I will just write here HA with, for having. Okay, so having uh, 10 days duration. Okay, so I hope it will be clear. Okay, so under the parameter option we will choose the original of duration, then under is option we will choose equals, under value we will enter here 10. Now click on OK and you can see this filter has been created. Now click on apply. So next we can see here those activities which having duration 10 days. Okay, so like this we can sort out those activities with the specific duration with the like a 10, 20, 30. So this filter is very helpful. Okay, so uncheck this option again, click on apply and next let's create a filter for week wise. Let's suppose 2 weeks look ahead schedule. Usually we use look ahead schedule a lot on our projects when usually we will be working in execution phase. Okay, so 2 weeks look ahead schedule. So okay, so next we will click on this option of under parameter, then we will choose press C, then choose early start, and now we will choose the is within range of. From value, we have to choose earliest data date. So whenever we will create a look ahead schedule, so this is the best practice. We will create a look ahead schedule from DD. DD means the earliest data date. Okay, so in a high value again we will choose here DT and we will enter here plus 2W. 2W. Now click on OK and make sure you have select the required now filter. Now click on apply. So now what we can see here, we have three activities. First is the actually event or a milestone. So next we have two activities. one activity having a 7 days duration, seven activity, that is the site clearance having 15 days. So total number of days we have 22. So we have just created a filter for 2 weeks look ahead schedule from the dd means the earliest data deadline. Okay, so now let's suppose I want to sort out those activities which are going to start and finish within 2 weeks. So let's see system which activity will show us. Now you can see we have resource mobilization. That activity will take 7 days to complete. Possibility, it is possible that resource mobilization will complete within start and complete within 2 weeks. Okay, so next, site clearance having a 15 days duration. Maybe this activity can start within 2 weeks, but I think it's not going to finish within the 2 weeks. So let's take an example. Again, modify and click on it, and from the parameter, we will choose early finish is within range of, choose DD, choose DD plus 2W. Okay, so we have just created the range from two. Means we want to sort out those activities which are going to start and finish within 2 weeks. Okay, so we took just example for 2 weeks. If you understand this filter, so you can create week-wise filters like a 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 10 weeks, 20 weeks. So this example only for 2 weeks. Okay, so click on OK. Next, click on apply. So now you can see we have only one activity, that activity having 7 days duration. So this activity will complete and start and complete within 2 weeks. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Okay, now we will uncheck this option, then click on apply, and let's create a one more filter. Okay, so expose 60 days. You can create a 60 days, 90 days, 50 days. Okay, so we are going to take example for 60 days. 60 days look ahead schedule. From parameter, choose early start is within range of dd, again dd under high value, and we will enter here plus 60d. You can see, click on it, again choose start, then is within range of, again choose dd, under high value choose dd plus 60d. So we have defined a parameter. We want those activities which are going to end start within was 60 days. Okay, so now click on OK and simple click on apply. So here we have the schedule which will started and finish within 60 days. So now next, click on uh, in this box to uncheck this filter, click on apply. Okay, let's create a one more filter. So we took examples for week wise, days wise, and now let's take one example for the specific month. Okay, so let's suppose filter for the month of, okay, feb. Okay, feb 2025. Okay, again under parameter we will choose early start is within range of, choose, go to the custom date and choose the 1st February, and from the high value choose the 28th February. So We just choose the start, the early start for the month of February. So let's suppose we want to sort out or filter out those activities which are going to start in the month of February. So simple click on OK, and let's click on apply. So you can see we have those activities only which are going to start in the month of February. So let's modify this filter. Let's add one more parameter, and next we will choose early finish is within range of. Again, we will go to the custom date, and we will choose the first fab, and from the high value we will choose the 28 fab. Okay, so now click on OK. Now let's apply. So now we can see we have those activities only which will start and complete within the month of February. Okay, so next we will uncheck this option and click on apply. So we took the examples for date wise, week wise, and for the specific month wise. Now let's take one more example. If let's suppose we want to sort out, filter out for the filter out the block A, B, or C. So how we can filter for the construction work BLA. So we will click on this option, then we will choose WBS and equals. Next we will choose, let's suppose WBS. Click on OK. Okay. Next click on apply, and now you can see we have those activities are only the construction work block A. So like this we can define the filters as per your requirement. We can set the parameters one by one. We can use the default filters as well. Okay, and we can apply these filters for to sort out the specific information, to sort out the specific area of your schedule. So these filters are very helpful for the project planner and schedulers, even for the PM. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope everything is clear related to the filters. See you in the next video.